Bengal Veterinary College. Two members of Ejra family, Joseph and Daid, were honored as Sharif of Calcutta. How was Jews' lifestyle? In trade, Jews were in the front rank. The rich Jews live in the best part of the town, Chaurangi. The colonial mansions and sprawling gardens of such illustrious families belong the Ejra, B.N. Elias, Gabe, Carlanders and Myers. Interesting rag to riches tell of Jew Benjamin Nazim Elias. B.N. Elias built an industrial empire encompassing National Tobacco Company, jute mills, dairy farming, fertilizers, real estate, insurance, and gold mining. Calcutta Jews spoke Judeo-Arabic at home, but the English was the language of choice. There were about 6,000 Jews live in Calcutta at that period. The tragedy. Jewish communities have died violent and forced deaths in other places. But in India as well as Calcutta, where they did not face persecution, they left their own accord. Cohen built first synagogue and second synagogue by Shalom. It was here at Canning Street. Joseph Ezra was the founder of the finest Magen David synagogue. Beth E.L. on Pollock Street. Jews built not only synagogues or mansions, but two schools, one for Jewish girls with Hebrew studies. Talmud Torah School was established for poor and feed free every afternoon. It was supported by wealthy Jews. Mrs. Mozello E.D.G. Ejra, in memory of her husband, had donated only Jew Hospital, Ejra Hospital in Calcutta. Jews provided large employment and brought philanthropic activities for the benefit of Calcutta. This is Nahum and Sons Confectioner's Shop at Newmarket, founded in 1902, another landmark of Jews. The Jews have left an indelible imprint vis-à-vis their synagogues and philanthropic institutions in the culture of Calcutta. And Calcuttans feel the absence of neighborly Jews even today.